In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name in PolyBuzz full guide. Let's start from the very beginning so you can follow along easily. Open your web browser and head to the Google homepage. This is just a quick and reliable way to get to the correct site without memorizing URLs. In the search bar, type PolyBuzz and press enter. You should see the official PolyBuzz website appear near the top of the results. Click the official result to open the site. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you have access to your profile settings. You'll need to be logged in to make changes to your name. Once PolyBuzz loads, look to the upper right corner of the page. You should see your profile avatar or an initial icon there. Click it to open your profile area. This is where your account details live and where you can change how your name appears across the platform. Inside your profile, find the small edit icon, often shown as a pencil, next to your display name. Click that to enter edit mode. This puts the name field into a state where you can type a new value and preview how it will look before saving. If you don't immediately see the pencil icon, make sure you're on your profile page rather than a feed or dashboard view. Now type your new name exactly as you want it to appear. Keep it clear, professional, and easy to recognize, especially if teammates or clients will be searching for you. Avoid special characters if the field doesn't allow them, and watch out for extra spaces at the beginning or end of the name. If PolyBuzz has name length or character guidelines, follow those to prevent validation errors. When you're happy with how it looks, click Save. You should see the updated name reflected on your profile. Most of the time, the change appears instantly across the site. If it doesn't show up right away in other tabs, give it a moment and then refresh. That's normal as the update propagates. If you work across multiple devices, the new name should carry over automatically. And that's all there is to it. You went to Google, searched for PolyBuzz, opened the official website, clicked your profile in the upper right corner, tapped the edit icon next to your name, entered your new name, and saved your changes. Simple, quick, and effective. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part of this guide while you make your update.